Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northeast on Bamboo Drive towards Guango Place in Portmore Pines, Portmore, St. Catherine Parish. We are at Guango Place intersection and firstly we'll be turning left to explore the northwestern end. Portmore Pines is a neighborhood in Portmore and it is situated nearby to the neighborhoods Silverstone and Newland. Notably, Portmore is a large urban settlement located along the south coast of Jamaica. Portmore is nicknamed the Sunshine City. The northwestern section ends and we are turning towards the southeastern end. We are back at Bamboo Drive and we'll be going straight across to the other end of Guango Place. We are at the southeastern section, which is impassable. However, Guango Place is also just across. We are turning back to Bamboo Drive. We are back at Bamboo Drive. Going left will take you towards Cashew Avenue and going right will take you towards Honeysuckle Place. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.